Chat, so I'm on my way to see the Michael Jackson movie. Guys, me that fair come back for me popcorn because the first one did cold, so I had to change that. So thank you. Yeah, so I have to get a brand new one. So we're watching Michael Jackson movie. So we're gonna see what the hype is about. It's Michael, but we're gonna see where everybody are hype about. And then I'm gonna let you know.
Michael never wanted to do the victory tour to begin with. You planned this entire thing behind his back.
Chat, the movie was good. I'm not lying. You know, some of the parts, more and cry for Michael. I'm not lying. His father treat him bad B. And in the last end, his mother decide for, oh Michael, I'm always here for you. Catch it the week, virgin. The weeks make the man treat a pitney that. Week make the man beat a pitney so. Yeah guys, so the out to try to get some jerk chicken at festival. I think I that more right now. The line did long, so we still have my jerk chicken, but when I like the jerk chicken, it's worth the wait. It's real good. I reach home and see my festival. I'm a jerk chicken. I'm about to go to work on this right now with a glass of Pepsi. And I'm gonna show you the color ear I'm gonna buy for do my ear. My dinner for the night. So.
Glad to see you. Let's jump back in.
Come to the come down the slide. Toast? Doing the last year? Guys, so toasting. My hair is done already. So this is a birth maintenance vlog. And let's do it workout because somebody know me. I'm using somebody new today. Guys, I'm gonna bring out my extra meals today. Extra head and it's like my friend for use it. Guys, so this is how it looks so far. To be honest, I love this bubblegum color. This is so cute, but it's not done yet. This is my hair color. Yeah guys, so this is what it's looking like. Just done. I'm about to go back inside and get my feet done, but I need something to eat. I'm hungry. I need to get some. Mama clock, the store locked though. But just say me I'm going to the store and the people in the lock. But just say me I'm going to the store and the store locked. But anyways, I need to get something to eat. But guys, I like my nails, right? Can you dice it for me, please?
Both of them?
Dice both of them.
Little pieces, right?
And I pick the soda, right?
Yeah, you can pick any soda.
I'm videoing my foot, not you. Okay, that's alright. Guys, so these are my nose and toes. They're looking like starbursts, right? Hey guys, happy birthday to me. So I'm coming over Sephora, right? Because I'm the birthday girl and them give free gift for your birthday. So I'm coming to collect my gift. But I also have a Sephora credit, right? So I'm over the Max section. I'm gonna try. So it's between Snobbish and Behave. Right now I have Behave and Act. And then I have to go do my lash after this. So let me hurry up. The reason why Snobbish have too much lip gloss in pink. So I'm gonna try to do something different. People them wipe out Snobbish to blood. No. And see? Nah. And then Frozen, I really told it up on my mouth. You know what I'm saying? Frozen come across, you know? I don't know why the Behave, nah. Like it's not good. I'll get this one and call it a day. And I like when you open them things, make me sit down. Awesome, and I like this up on the little business. One snobbish left, but it's not given. I guess I'm gonna get this one, and then I'll get my free. Alright guys, so it's between snobbish and BEF. Let's see. I have a lip gloss. Light in here is not lighting. I had to go do my lashes. Guys, so I'm heading inside. So I gotta get my nails done. I'm gonna do my lashes and my brows, even though you know. Guys, so I'm gonna do my lashes now and my brows. As you can see, I don't really have that much brows. Huh? I need to clean it up too. So I don't know why the lighting is so dark, but
I love your hair.
thank you. Look dark here. I don't like. I look really dark. Guys, I'm in a Sephora. I'm a spray. I think it's 46, but me not. It's like the other spray them or you can smell it. I don't even smell it.
I love them.
Guys, so this is how it turned out. Nothing crazy, nothing dramatic. My lash cleaner. Guys, so this is my lash. I see, nothing crazy. Still look cute and girly, right? Nothing dramatic. This will give a look of full effect when I put a strip on it. Who knows? Depends on how I feel. But this is my outfit for the day. Pick up a Sephora birthday gift or whatever. This is what I'm giving for my birthday. And then this was I picked snobbish. I don't know why I can't stay away from pink, but that's what I chose. Snobbish by MAC. Might go back for the BA though. She did a good job on the lash. Guys, so this is pre-birthday game setting. So yeah, I do a quick beat for go. I want to look a lounge right now. So yeah, I try to do something with the makeup. Don't judge me because my mom telling me I'm not perfect with the makeup. So I use my dear concealer for eye under the brow. Blend out this real quick. Guys, so my birthday today is my brother's birthday that passed away. Our birthdays is a day apart. So at 12 o'clock it will be my birthday. And it sucks he's not here anymore. Because we used to be like, when at 12 o'clock a fiend birthday, happy birthday. 12 o'clock on my birthday, him call me happy birthday. So, happy birthday wishing thing no really hit no more, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But, happy heavenly birthday to him again, right? Big up yourself, Danny G. Right? So, I'm there. I guess I'm gonna bring in my birthday now. One look alone settings. Nothing crazy. Because as I can see, today is Wednesday, so 12 o'clock Thursday. Birthday fall in the middle of the week or the ending part of the week, however which way you want to call it. It fall. So I'm just adapt on look something there right now. So I'm gonna use a Dennis Amarix. I'm gonna use our primer first. I can't find, of course, Jador. Take out some of them. A fair thing that I don't know which I should do with the spoon. I'm not neat and find up right now. And then I have my milk primer. Tell them guys, I have a good product. One of them days, I'll go and get my face box and kick up. And I'm going to see what a big difference. I'm going to see how I look when my face drastic with makeup. Because I never got my face done before with makeup. Because, like I said, a natural girl, I don't really do the whole makeup thing. So, I'm going to use my Dennis Amarix in the shade Yummy Skin 6. Right? More up under this. Yeah. I don't know if I need something lighter because I don't know how my skin set up. 1 minute this complexion and next you see my white. But this is no makeup look. Like Dennis Amarix. Don't come from a makeup police. You know I'm supposed to put the concealer under the eye before this. But I do my thing or you or me do my thing. I don't know how my face look. Crazy. Once again, I just buy the brush and just them broke it up. Sometimes I feel like they don't want to see me with nothing. Sometimes I feel like they don't want to see me with nothing. But look, can go on, right? And then I can put some. I was gonna use this, but this is too dark for my skin. I like bright under eyes. I'm going to use. This is from Dollar Tree. I want it too bright, so this look too bright. That look like it too bright. Guys, Dollar Tree have some nice concealer. Eyes, but nice and it look like scary bright. Then I can blend it out. Right? Guys, I always say, so you can't even tell. Maybe I need something brighter though. I always say, guys, when my birthday come and gone, the year done. Because my birthday is 6 months in, right? And can you believe it's 6 months in at the 2026 already and 2026 just that. Alright, let's talk about it. Where is the time going? Where did time I'll go? Should I do Pound Cake by Huda or Pound Cake Huda or One Size Pink? I could set with that. No? I could set with that. I could set with your girl Huda. Alright, we're gonna set with that. Guys, I'm gonna dash on something really quick and I can come back and show it. And that area, I wonder if I can drop down too, so or I just leave it like that. Hey guys, so this is the outfit I chose because I had the pants on and I decided to take it off. So true outside they were hot. Just feel for just put on a skirt. So this is it. I don't know why this is not showing everything, but that's it. So I don't know if I should wear this bag or I'm gonna look like the jump to black. I can't go up the stairs.
I don't know you. You gonna get to know me right now. Say right now.
Alright, you too. Guys, party did nice, but party done. Chat, so nice. Party done. And big up me, it's my motherfucking birthday. Happy birthday to me. But anyway, I'm nice right now. I'm under some Wallipa rum punch and something. I'm nice. So I walk. You never saw me walk come down the stairs like me a stagger. But guys, R&B Wednesday was nice. Let me get a bit of R&B, then mix it up with Jamaican kind. Alright, chat. So junk me junk? No sir, the rum punch have me away. But this was my fit. Gucci bag, Gucci slippers, and it was a cool way of bringing in my birthday, right? Because the birthday won't come on a Thursday and not Friday, Saturday. But anyways, I had fun. And if you enjoyed this vlog, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, that's it. Bye.